Namaskaram. Have you ever considered the powerful deity who holds the clouds and commands the life giving rains? Meet Parjanya, a significant Vedic deity whose essence is deeply tied to the rain clouds, the thunder, and the fertilization of the earth. As an Aditya, Parjanya embodies the full force of a rainstorm. They are known for their ability to summon bountiful showers, bringing forth thunder and lightning to ensure the earth's fertility and the growth of all vegetation. Ancient tales speaks of Parjanya's vital role in nourishing the world. Their descent brings forth abundance, quenching the earth's thirst and allowing life to flourish. A true blessing from the heavens. So Parjanya's stories reminds us of the power cycles of nature and the essential gift of rain for all life. What other ancient figures intrigue you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.